Alright, let's take a quick look at what we've got here. So these girls are ready for trouble. Coming, packing some heat in the back seat. They're powered here by a little custom 2-cell LiPo battery and 2 L motors going into one Sbrick right here, and I'll put some links on doing custom batteries and wiring up your Sbrick so that you can use a JST harness on there, and those will be in the description or right up here. And this thing's pretty small. It's 14 centimeters long by 10 centimeters wide and 9 centimeters high. Alright, well, thanks for watching.